Kansas City Chiefs star Rashee Rice facing the consequences today of that high-speed crash on Central Expressway last year. In a plea deal reached with prosecutors, Rice has now been sentenced to 5 years probation, 30 days in jail, and community service. Robbie Owens sat in on a briefing, in fact, with his attorneys. She's live in Dallas with the details. What else did you hear?
Well, Doug, I tell you, those attorneys today repeated the promise that the star wide receiver would one day face the community and make those apologies for himself. Well, today is not that day. He instead released this statement through his attorneys, again, taking responsibility for that crash and promising to make amends.
It was reckless. It was a youth indiscretion that could have resulted in someone losing their life.
Attorney Royce West repeatedly referred to the high-speed crash on Central Expressway last year as a youthful indiscretion. He urged the community to not judge Rashee Rice, who has no prior criminal record, by a mistake that he has acknowledged.
Please contrite and recognize that he could have killed someone out there. When he left the scene, he recognized that was a stupid mistake.
According to court records, Rice was driving a rented Lamborghini 119 miles per hour on the Dallas freeway last March. As he maneuvered around other vehicles, he crashed, setting off a chain reaction collision before walking away. In addition to paying the victims out-of-pocket medical expenses, the plea deal stipulates that he will serve 30 days in jail and during the 5 years probation could be sentenced to prison time if he violates the terms.
If he violates the probation in this particular case, he could get up to 10 years, okay? And he understands that there's a judge there that will be watching his pretty much every move. To the extent that he does something that runs afoul of the probation, there'll be consequences. He understands that.
As for Rice, he released a statement through West saying, in part, quote, "I accept full responsibility for my involvement in this incident and today the consequences. This was a moment of immense failure on my part, and I am truly sorry for the harm experienced by so many."
This incident scared him straight, and from that vantage point, he now understands that he has to be more responsible and accountable for his behavior.
Now, we're told that the terms of the plea deal don't stipulate exactly when he has to serve those 30 days in jail. It will be here in Dallas County and can happen anytime within the next 5 years. Unless we hear different from the NFL, he is expected to report for Chiefs training camp on Monday. Live in Dallas, Robbie Owens, CBS News, Texas.